Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longzhe machine. Today, we export our heavy industry pellet burner to India. As you can see, this high efficiency burner, the pellet consumption is 300 to 400 kilograms per hour, and it can create 1.8 million heating values. This pellet burner is used connection to our rotary dryer, which size is 1.8 meters diameter and 80 meters length. Our client use the dryer for drying the wet sawdust from moisture 50% to 15%, and the capacity for the dryer is 2 tons per hour. As the fuel heating supply the pellet burner, this pellet burner has the function of automatic working, automatic ignition, automatic burning, automatic temperature control. And this burner, the fire flame can reach almost 2 meters length. This pellet burner with also an PLC touch screen control. So it's an easy operation and easy maintenance for our pellet burner. And you also can see that at the bottom of our pellet burner, we also have wheels for easy movable function. Okay, everyone, if you like Longzhe brand pellet burner, please send your inquiry. Thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.